Hey there! You may find you have lots of time on your hands right now. So how about making your own trees at home for your diorama or wargaming tables? Let's start with some number 4 MBS foliage. And trees 2, 3, 4 inch or bigger. I'm going to use a 3-inch tree frame. Now we're going to take Mini Bond thick, which I've watered down a bit, and we're going to brush it on to the tree frame. It does dry the same color as our tree frames. Now we're going to sprinkle the foliage onto the tree, and we'll let that dry for a couple of hours. Set it aside. And I like to spray a bit of yellow in spots, and that gives a lot of highlights and texture to your tree. And there you have it. You can also buy our pre-made trees. And all this is available on modelbuildersupply.com. Stay home and model on.